Here we are 5 days after I moved this zucchini plant from an AeroGarden Sprout into the Black Magic recirculating hydroponic pail. The two sister plants are looking extremely healthy and are still under 10 watts of light. When moving the plant from under 10 watts to 100 watts, I used the dimmer and I brought the light power down to 60%. And that was a little aggressive. And since that time, I've moved the dimmer down to about 40%. The PPFD and also the daily light integral are indicated on this screenshot. And at this intensity, it was a little strong and is indicated by the leaves developing a more yellowish cast. The seedling leaves have retained their dark green coloration though. Overall, the plant is more developed than the sister plants under 10 watts, and the leaves are starting to develop more coloring in terms of chlorophyll since I've backed off the light intensity. I placed a ruler alongside the plant to measure its progress. The plant started out at a smaller size as compared to where it is now. So really, 4 or 5 days of growth, the results are not that bad, and I'm actually satisfied with the progress. I have the camera set up on a tripod beside the plant to measure its growth, and will continue to update as this particular plant continues its growth in the Black Magic Grow Pail underneath the Spider Farmer new SF1000 LED grow light. Inside of the container, the roots have continued to grow out and are branching nicely, so I have high hopes of this being successful. And the nutrients being used, as mentioned in an earlier video, are from AeroGarden and intended for desktop systems from that company. In a weird twist, the unit that I'm using, the Black Magic Grow Pail, was picked up and is now available on AeroGarden's website. So this particular nutrient will be suggested for all Black Magic Grow Pails in the future. If you are looking to do something similar to this with indoor squash growing, I would suggest this variety. It is an easy pick gold #2 hybrid, and it's available online. The squash is parthenocarpic, so it will put out quite a bit of golden zucchinis without pollination. One final note would be that as the plant is conditioned to its new reduced wattage and starts to mature, I will gradually move the intensity of this light upwards to provide more PPFD light to the squash.